In this session, we are going to see how to create a cost center in S/4HANA and why we need in SD. So since we are operating practice system, we have to create certain FI elements also our own for practice. Don't think that cost center you are going to create in real time. Cost center purely is FI subject. But let you know because certain places like if you take what I would say individual purchase order or external side you would like to calculate your cost from external procurement, certain things. It may be like sales or purchase. You're supposed to create a cost center. Basically, if you are, I will tell you in a simple example, your understandable language. For example, you are working in a certain company, so your cost to that company. So certain times, for example, you have an expenses like your travel expenses if you are traveling to on-site. If you are going for what I would say like any festival kind of privileges company is giving your medical expenses all will be controlled by even if it is IT company also different cost centers. So then if it is your service order or sales order, you should require this one. So the transaction code for this is KS01 for create and 02 and 03 will be like your change and the display mode. So let's go to the KS01. Okay, for example, you have to choose controlling area. It will ask initially. For example, if I click this, so it is already created. Let me try to create TS07. Okay. So like let me put it here. Okay. So press enter. So you have to give the cost center name. Okay. So this is for medical care. I'm just giving an example. The person who is responsible for this, and you can able to give the user. So you have to choose your cost category. Basically, I have chosen this is for marketing, and you have to choose hierarchical area. It is very important. I'm just choosing standard hierarchy here. Let's choose your company code. Okay, and you have to choose your profit center mandatory. Your profit center also will be guess 100% it will be extended to your controlling area. So it has a link, like how much profit you are getting, how much cost incurred. It has a balance link between profits and cost center. I think I have shown you the link table, but probably we can able to see in future. Okay, requirements if it is required. Let's save this. Simply the cost center DR07, it is got created, right? So why we required in SAP SD for cost center creation? So if you take your accounting document or billing document, certain times you have to determine your cost center for certain lines actually. So in accounting, so for example, if you come here, especially we have already seen profit center, how it will be determined at line level. So we can able to determine cost center at SD, specifically SD based on order rhythm for what specific region you are doing calculating the cost actually incurred the cost for your sales processes. If you look at this, so if you go to account assignment tab, here the cost center will available that we are going to see in next session. That's why we have created a cost center. So see, my way of explanation, everything will be for a certain purpose in real time. Okay, so you just try to understand this one. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe my channel. And this is my S4HANA sales prime course. I'm just trying to add this video also over there. Thank you so much. All these are the additional concepts you are going to learn apart from your regular sales processes. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best and have a great day. Let's catch up in next session.